Welcome back, everybody. It is Toe of the Week, and it's matching those cheetah/jungle nails. So stay tuned and see what I did. Welcome, everybody. Good to see all of you. Like I said, it's Toe of the Week, and this design is matching the nails I did on Monday, those jungle/cheetah nails. I'm super excited about the toe design, and of course the outfit to come is so cute, and I'm doing it at a really cute place. So stay tuned for that, you guys, on Friday. Let's get started on this toe design. Everybody take care, God bless, and I'll see each and every one of you in my next video. Hi everyone. So here's what I decided to go with for this week's toe design. A beautiful cheetah/jungle look. Matches my nails I did on Monday. If you'd like to see how I did this one, please continue watching. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Toe of the Week. And this set of toes, of course, is going to match the nails that I did on Monday. Those cheetah/jungle nails that I did, and they were so awesome. I loved them. If you didn't get a chance to see them, definitely check those out. But as far as the toes here, I'm going to do it pretty much the same, just a little bit different being toes. So let me show you what I'm using in this design. I'm using all the same stuff. So first it'll be this one here, the Sally Hanson Instant Dry. It's a beautiful taupe color, and it's actually called Taupe to Go. Hopefully you can see that. If not, I will link it down in the box. And then I'll be working with acrylic paints. Let me show you my palette here. Pay no attention to this big glob here. It was the last of the white that poured out. It was a kind of a clump in there, but I just got some of the white I needed. So I'm going to be using this green here to do, well, first it'll be the black to make the cheetah print, and that'll be on the big toe. And then I'll be doing leaves. I'll be doing this green, that green, and the lime green here. It's a neon green. And then on the baby toes, I'm going to be taking just that lime green and kind of doing like a French look with it, just to make it a little bit more simple. Plus toes are so tiny. I could definitely do the cheetah print on it, but I think it's gonna look cute with just that green going across. So that'll be that. Then I will be using this brush. The only one I'll be using is this one this time because it's a toe, so you won't really need the liner one. This one is a liner, so it's a short one. It's 10/0. I've cut this one. And then of course I'll be doing crystals just like the big toe. I'm using this wheel here. There are 6 SS crystals. I'll be using the light green and the dark green and the light green. Mixed through. I will use super glue to glue them on, and then I will top everything off with my dry fast top coat, the Scehe Vite. So I'm going to get started right now on some of the art, and I'll return to show you as I go along. Okay, so you see what I've got going so far. Got a cheetah print on the big toe. I've left this one open to show you that. And then I've done the green on the tips, and I've left one of those open to show you. So I'll start on that first. I'm going to do the green tip. Just dipping into that lime green like I showed you guys, and I'll draw in here. And I'm just going to, make sure I'm in line here. Just going to take my brush here and just go across with the green. Pretty simple. I'm, freehanding this or whatever. If you wanted to, you could tape off if you were a little bit nervous about it, or use the little stickers that they make that helps you have a guideline. So I'm just kind of going like this across, and I'm going to fill up in here too. Don't worry if you get it on the skin. You can always wipe it off. Like I always tell you, it's better to get, into the nooks and crannies, and then just wipe it off like that. And if you can't get it all off, then just use some acetone in a small brush. So like that. Looks like I have a little piece of hair. I do. And I'm having a hard time getting that. So I'm actually going to grab a Q-tip. Tweezers to get that off. But there's that. And then let me show you the cheetah part. I'm going to dip into the black here that I've made. And we're just going to start doing some cheetah stuff here. I'm going to take this foot down so that you can see this one better. And I'm just going to start doing some random shapes, just like blobs. You could do it however you want, and wherever you want. Just do it however you think it's, you know, good for you. Like I was saying in the nail design, how this also could look like a cow design. Oop, that was a little bit thick there. Like it could look almost like a cow design too, this one here. I think it's cute. If I had like white on, it would be cute. So just gonna make some blobs there. And then in between, I'm just gonna dot. Just take my brush and just do some dots. And they could be smaller, bigger, whatever you want. So just like that. Now I'm going to whoops, got my orange wood stick on my bottom of my foot here. So I'm gonna draw out here. I'm gonna let these dry up. I'm gonna grab that little piece of hair on there, let these dry up, and I'll be back to show you the art on the big toes. All right, so I've got the jungle going on this one. I'm gonna show it to you on this toe now. So I'll put this foot down and I'll draw in for you. Draw in here, okay. All right, so I'm gonna go into the lime green to start with there, that neon. I keep saying lime, but like a neon. And just pick random spots that I wanna do this. So I'm just gonna set my brush down and give it a pull like that. Set it down, give it a pull. And that's all you really wanna do when you're doing that part, is make sure you just set it down and real quick pull like that, because you want it to look, you know, like those trees like in the jungle. So then just put it down, down. If you run out of paint, just go back. Ooh, that's a little bit much on there. Okay, set it down, go like that, and like that. And that's good there. Then I'm gonna go into my green. It's a little bit darker green, not too dark, but a little bit darker, and start doing some leaves here. Go to one side or the other and just give it a little pull like that. And then I'll do another one, kind of going over this one. It's okay if they overlap, don't worry about that. Then I'm gonna go into the dark green. It's kind of like a forest green. I'm gonna go into here and I'm just gonna overlap this one out. My paints are wet. You might wanna wait till they're dry. I'm just being really, really careful so I don't have to do a separate, you know, go off and come back on. Do another one there. And I'm gonna get another one into here, kind of going at an angle here, and pull like that. And then I think I'll do a little one down into here too, like that. Isn't that cool looking? I just absolutely love how you can have a cheetah and, you know, a cheetah look, and then behind it have that jungle. I just think it looks wild and cool, because when you think of cheetahs, you think of the wild, you think of the jungle, you think of all of that, and it just looks cool. So I'm gonna let these dry, and then I'm gonna start getting the crystals on, and I'm gonna top coat all the baby toes. I might put crystals on those too. I'll return and tell you. All right, so I'm back, and I did decide to go with the crystals, you know, just a little crystal on the toes, just in the area down by the cuticle, and then on the big toe. And you see I got it on the big toe there. So I'm just gonna grab some glue here and now just put it throughout the big toe. Just all throughout, just be putting spots of glue and adding in the crystals like I did on my nails. So now I'll just start grabbing some stones, dark and light. Just do a mixture through here. When I'm grabbing, I'm getting like 2 or 3 at a time. I just need one. And they're like stuck together. What's going on here? Okay, so we're just gonna start setting them down into the glue. I'll draw in a little bit here for you. Okay, and then grab a light one. Put that right there. Grab another dark one. Put that down in here. And I'm just going back and forth, you know, with the colors. So I know that I get a variety of the dark and light. Let's see, where did I put glue? Hard to remember sometimes where I put the glue. When the light's shining on it, I can't really see where the glue is because it makes it shiny. So I'll put one there. One right there. I think one would go good in there, and I probably had glue there, just don't remember. One there, and maybe one in here, a light one again. Just like that. Just one though, there was 2 on there. Okay. Just like that. Draw back out. So, all right. So that is the look there. I am going to top coat everything. Let me go out a little bit more here. I'm going to top coat everything, and I'll return to show you the end product. Just remember, when doing a top coat, wait for your polish to dry, or your acrylic paint especially, or it'll run and it smudges and it just looks terrible. So make sure that everything is dry first, then top coat. And when going over stones, you know, go really liberal and you know, just do it, be generous with the amount because it's going to dry fast. And also pull out any air pockets and everything, just kind of brush over. So I'm going to top coat it all, like I said, and I'll be back to show you the end product. Alrighty, I am all done, and I love these just as much as I love the nail design. I love the wildness to them. I just think they are adorable and perfect for fall. I hope you guys will give this a try. Try out the nail design as well. And there's going to be a really cute outfit to come as always. Hope you guys enjoyed this design. Everybody take care. God bless, and I'll see each and every one of you in my very next video. Good night, everyone.